This 290 litre chest freezer from Westinghouse comes in a classic white finish and comes with a 24-month warranty. This kind of freezer is perfect for some secondary storage space for you and your family and can help you save money by allowing you to bulk buy and store additional shopping for some long-term storage. Now on the bottom left of the freezer down here you can see the light that indicates power, so you can always check that it's up and running correctly, as well as the temperature dial for adjusting the optimal storage temperature for whatever it is you are storing. This model also has a drainage hole which is at the back for making defrosting simple and easy. Opening up the unit, you can see there is a lightweight spring-loaded lid for easy opening, and inside there are two removable baskets for storing your most used items right on the top here for quick access, and this helps to keep the freezer neat and organised too. And because they are removable trays, you can also take them out if you need a little bit of extra storage space. This model has a 3-star energy rating, largely due to the use of R600A refrigerant, which is easier on the environment and easier on the wallet when it comes to paying the power bills. So there you have it, the 290 litre chest freezer, perfect for adding some extra freezer storage to your home. Thanks so much for watching. This 290 litre chest freezer from Westinghouse comes in a classic white finish and comes with a 24-month warranty.